how has TikTok helped the community or the people in the world to be able to dance? What's your take on that?
For me po kasi, while I teach, parang napapansin ko, after my trend blew up, parang napapansin ko, daming mga bagong students. And so, every class, I ask who are the new ones and saan nila ako nakita? Sa TikTok po. What? So, I just post random dance, my trend, ganon. Tapos, they find me there and then they're trying to enroll in my class. So, I think TikTok has a good influence when it comes yung mga first-time dancer po. Like, I wanna be like that. I wanna enroll in class like that. So, kumbaga nagkaka-hope sila. Kasi ngayon, medyo mahihirap na yung trends eh. So, parang, alang hihirap naman yan. Saan kami matututo ng mga ganyan? So, when we start in zero po, it's not really a lot of students, but now with the help of social media, TikTok, marami na pong nagtatry.
Just to give us an idea, normally, before yung mga TikTok, yung sabi mong umpisa na wala masyadong students, and now, gaano karami yung difference per class?
In terms of numbers, with my first class po, were just 4.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
And then, now, actually for me, nung before my trend, 40 is marami na rin po. Now, my biggest class po is 150.
What?
Wow!
Are you serious? 150?
In one class?
In one class.
Grabe.
Crazy.
That is crazy.
Paano mo tuturuan lahat? And then that's still 90 minutes.
Yes.
So, paano yun? Nakagrupo sila lahat and mas mahirap ba?
It's hard po kasi especially yung mga the ones at the back. Usually, pinapaupo ko po yung mga nasa harap or I have assistant para I won't go back and forth na right and left. And then, it's actually hard but when you started the class right, they're gonna listen to you naman and if looking by them, they're enjoying naman din.
Hindi kailangang clutch ang panunood. Head on over to Clutch Talks on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts for the full episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe on Clutch Talk social na rin para hindi mahuli sa Usapang Clutch.